We're following the High Rock Canyon Trail, and they have a little spot here where you're supposed to sign the login. So we're gonna do it. This part of the road's been really slow going. Lots of sharp rocks. You want to have good tires for it. And it's just been a slow drive so far. We've had it in 4-low, haven't needed 4-wheel drive, but 4-low for a little bit. And then we've got this kind of washout area right here. We're going to check and make sure that Leonard can make it with the rack on the back of his trailer. This is the section here. It doesn't look very steep on camera, but it's kind of a steep angle coming down here. Yeah, no problem. One of the most ruggedly beautiful and remote places in Nevada, High Rock Canyon was formed by ancient lava flows thousands of years ago. In the 1800s, an explorer, John Freeman, began guiding pioneers through the area along the Applegate-Lassen Trail on their way to the California gold fields. This is the High Rock Garage. The High Rock Garage is all that remains of a homestead dated 1915. In 2006, the BLM restored and stabilized the garage. I'm walking the water crossing to make sure it's safe. Here's some pioneer graffiti on the walls of these cliffs. So we believe this is the post office cave. Where the early settlers would leave messages for their loved ones coming down the trail. This is the end of the trail. So we made it through the High Rock Canyon Trail. It's a really cool trail if you get a chance to come out here and do it. Highly recommend it. We made it to camp. We're at Soldier Meadows campground. We passed through here earlier in the week. It's the Hot Springs campground, really nice place, another free one. Pit toilets, fire pits, and that's about it. Nobody else here, well, one person in the day use area. And we've got a little trail straight from camp that goes out to the hot springs, so we'll take advantage of that tonight and in the morning. And a little bit later, once we relax a little bit and get camp set up, then I'll make some dinner. I'm making a German sausage dinner with red cabbage.
starting day 7. Kind of a problem last night on the way to camp at the hot springs. All the fluid was gone from the hydraulic clutch system, and seems to be leaking out from the integrated throwout bearing slave cylinder inside the bell housing. So there's not a lot we can do about that. We refilled it, bled it, and it's currently working. Not sure why it's leaking or how fast it's going to leak out, so we're hoping we can make it home. We had to drive without a clutch for a while yesterday, so wish us luck.
Desert.
That's empty.
Shoot. So our fix didn't work.
There's no fix.
We're going to try getting a push start, see if we can make it home with no clutch, and Leonard can push us if we have to stop at certain points. Let's just see how this goes.
If we can't start it in gear. Oh, we're still out there.
What?
Yeah, we're in third.
We're attempting to make it home. We were on the northwestern corner of Nevada, and we've got to go all the way to the northern California coast. It's going to be a long drive. We're going to see how far we can make it with no clutch. Trey's figured out how to get us going, so I don't think I can do it.
We're just starting it in gear and shifting with no clutch. As long as we don't have to stop going uphill, then we're home.
Yeah, and then we've got Leonard following us in his Jeep, and he can push us if we have to stop on a hill. So that's kind of nice. Back up. Anyway, we'll keep you posted, see if we make it. It's fire here too. We made it as far as a Forest Service campground right outside of Lassen National Park, and we're all tired and ready to stop for the day. I think we have about 6 more hours tomorrow to make it all the way home, and Trey's doing great driving with no clutch. Pro tip, 4 bottles of wine in this bag. Just take it out of the box and we're good to go. And this is our spread tonight. Fancy.
It's been a long day. Did you get that?
What do you have? Ooh, the good stuff.
Yum. Should I pour it off? Oh, you might.
It's been that kind of day, apparently. Back on the road this morning. We got up really early, about 5:15, and packed up camp in the dark. And now the sun's coming up. We've got one city to go through on this route. We were able to find a route where we only have one city to go through with stoplights, and that's Red Bluff. So we're crossing our fingers we get through Red Bluff with no problems. get through Red Bluff. It was a nightmare. So luckily we don't have any more cities to go through. We've got 132 miles to go, but no more traffic lights. Wish us luck. We came across this single lane road construction and they turned it to drive through slow right in the nick of time. We're in our neighborhood. We made it home. How many miles with no clutch?
488.
488. So it'd be nice to do one of these big overland trips with no drama and complete it. But thanks for following along.
We've had a few. Just not lately.
Yes. Thanks for following along and look for more adventures coming up.
If you have a Jeep with the X15 with the internal slave and you're interested in getting rid of it, we're going to be doing an install video of the advanced adapters, complete kit they sell to do away with it, and then you can say goodbye. So usually every afternoon or morning or evening or morning, let's start over.
Pro tip, you get 4 glasses of wine in a bag. What are you looking for?
My Hilton honors point.